front, right? So how big is this space? This space here is about 1/3 of this space here. So let me see, right? Of course, it varies a little bit, right? But let me see, right? More. 1, 2, 3. See that? So what we do now, we take this space in here, eyeball it, right? 1/3. 1, 2, 3. More or less, it's good here. So now what we have from the brow ridge, a little bit in compared to the brow ridge here, we're gonna go down like this, right? Down like this. See that? From here, down like this. This is it, right? This is it. See that? Here like this, right? Actually, we could go from the brow ridge here. So this comes down at an angle like this, right? Now we have the orbit up here like this, right? That moves back here. And you see how this corner here, right, is not lined up exactly with that, right, with the nasal, but more or less, right? So this goes a little bit more posteriorly, like this, right? This angle here, right, compared to this, right? Posteriorly here. And then from here, it moves forward. And the orbit, remember, the upper margin of the orbit is going to be about halfway the height of this opening, right? So we have now this, and then 1, change of angle, and 2, and 3, right? So see that? 1, change of angle here, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3, like that, right? So now, so we have the zygomatic bone here like this, right? We look how much space we have here, right? We're gonna adjust it, maybe a little bit bigger, like this, right? So this measurement that we are, you know, kind of discovering, discussing now, are not gonna be canonical, right? It's a way for me to kind of, for us, to kind of see, all right, so those are measurable as angles, right? They are, I can appreciate them more if I reduce them to simple measurements. So these angles that I do are not necessarily the organic forms, about the organic form. They are measurement from here to here, right? And then from here to above the ear. See that? From here, you go above the ear with a line like this, right? Here, like this. This is zygomatic arch, right? And then from this corner here, above the zygomatic arch. See that? So I skip all of these bumps in here like this, right? So up here like this, above the ear hole, right? And then later I can find out all these up and down because they are all connected with some function. I see this